really nice to get away from it all, isn't it? Get out on the water, have a beverage, enjoy some solitude. But what if you didn't have to get away from it all? Right behind me is a home that's hitting the market this weekend. It's right here on this beautiful pond in the Twin Cities. It's in Eagan. It's 7 minutes from the Mall of America, an easy commute to both St. Paul and to Minneapolis. Let's go have a look. Pretty nice being out on the water, right? I think this might be even better. You can see wildlife year-round, and imagine waking up to sunrises across this pond every morning.